Foreign fellowships are only for people, I feel, who have put in about 5 to 7 years of practice or may have are working in a tertiary level fellowship. There, the basic issue is that you will only get the sort of conditions to work in tertiary level hospitals. The applications for the Indian fellowships are through an online form which is put out by the IOA house and the committee. The scoring is very important because that is where most of us miss out. There are a lot of marks for the post-PG duration that is passed. There's a lot of weightage for the presentations that we made in presentations and scientific publications in index journals and IJO. And there are marks again for IOA activities like attending conferences, like taking part in poster presentations. So we need to do this thing. For the very young people or the fresh people, we have the Yuva mentorship, which helps them go and train with people. IOA is trying to set a protocol where we will have a standardized protocol fellowship, where we'll have so much duration has to be put in like this and how it has to be done. So this is how IOA is giving a lot of weightage to increasing the fellowships so that we are able, because as we increase to 13,000 members, we only have 51 fellowships as of now, and we are making an effort to increase it further. And I'd like everybody to take part and to take advantage of the England fellowships of the IOA. Thank you.